ang Smart Gilas, only 5 for Smart All-Stars, and that translated, I'm sure, to a bundle of turnover points. At yung mga leading scores natin, nakita natin si Kobe Bryant with 11 points. Yan ang isang dapat ma-solve ng Smart Gilas, yung post-up ni Kevin Bryant, because that creates a lot of different situations for the All-Stars.
Palagay ko, mahirap ma-solve yan.
Parang tina-triangle natin. Tina-triangle nila tayo.
Now, Marcus Doughtit, ano ang dapat maging papel ni Marcus Doughtit here in the second half?
Well, sa akin, no, he really needs to play his role, like grab more rebounds, I think. Help siya sa pag ganyan, po-opposite itong si Kobe. He should be the help defender. Although ngayon, sabay sila nitong si Japet Aguilar. So, dapat may konting intimidation. There's going to be even a late help would do against the post-up of Kobe Bryant.
Now, Japet answers back after Kobe Bryant scored his 13-point. Score natin, 57-41. Muli po, itong Smart Gilas, nakalapit up to 7 points in the second quarter. And that was before Kobe Bryant returned to action and restored order for the Smart All-Stars. Lutz guarding Durant. Durant, parang Dirk Nowitzki, 1 foot away.
But may foul doon. Chris Lutz giving up the foul. Kalahin mo pa, ang kalaban niya, 6'9". Kevin Durant.
Free throw din sa inyo ng Felix.
And what a tournament he showed. No? Nung naglaro siya for the US FIBA World Championships sa Turkey last year, he dropped 38 points against Lithuania, 33 points against Russia, and sabi nga kanina, in the championship game, 7 3-pointers against Turkey. Ano na ba MVP?
Palagay ko naman, si Durant is going to win an MVP award sa liga niya before his career is over.
Oh, without a doubt. 2-time scoring champion na yan. And he was the youngest ever to win a scoring championship sa kanilang liga.
Baroka against Magee. Baroka to Japet. Japet has nowhere to go. Japet umatake. Japet
great challenge, yes.
Oy, nice tap para kay Chris Jones. Doughtit. Ay, nakataubos ang shot clock at basket will not.
The Smart All-Stars now quicker to react on defense. You know, they're really clogging the lanes. Even yung outside shots nila, all of Smart Gilas are being challenged, and that's a testament to how serious itong Smart All-Stars sa kanilang defensive strategy.
A nice pick set there by pick and roll sana yun, but maganda yung depensa.
Oh, Kobe Bryant.
Oh, wide open.
That steal the ball. Lucky break para kay Chris Lutz. So ito, gusto na naman natin makalapit dito. 59-43.
Kung pressure tayo sa backcourt, what a discrepancy there. Si Kevin Durant being guarded by Chris Lutz, who is one of our best defenders.
Durant posting up Lutz. Good tap by Lutz. Here comes Baroka. Baroka chased by Kobe Bryant.
Napangiti doon si Kobe Bryant kay Mark Anthony Baroka.
Baroka had an open shot. Oh, and Bryant was going to go up to block it.
Yes.
Yan ang intimidation. I mean, wala nang paligay-ligay, but that is intimidation.
At tinawanan pa ni Kobe Bryant, si Baroka.
Here's Doughtit. Missed it. Not secured the offensive rebound.
This is a good simulation on what Smart Gilas would be facing in international competitions in terms of disparity in height ng mga kalaban. So, kaya masanay sila dito, and look at that move by Paulo!
Yan ang mahirap, no? Drawing out the defense, ni Doughtit, tapos offensive rebound, wala na nakabox out.
Boy, second chance opportunities, so few and far between. Bryant, hands off ball, and a steal completed by Lutz. And Bryant with a counter steal.
And Kobe's just setting the tone for the defensive effort dito ng Smart All-Stars.
He's all over. Nakikita niya, na-anticipate niya kung saan pupunta yung bola, and he's always there.
Japet fires, short. Here's ball.
And you notice there's a conscious effort now on the part of the Smart All-Stars na bilisan ang laro. There you go.
See, that's problem. Derrick Rose is a power point guard.
Yes. Siyempre, nakikita nga natin, si Baroka, it's not a patsy, no? Wala ka sa point guard din to, pero kanina tumalsik siya doon kay Derrick Rose.
And now, the Smart All-Stars getting every rebound in sight. Ito na, Chris Paul!
Oh, sayang!
Nabitin si JaVale McGee. Here's Japet. Over 7 minutes remaining in the third, and Chris Chu connects with a three.
Kanina 3-point conversion for Gilas.
Well, the crowd here, tahimik.
Well, yun ang pamatay solo ng Smart Gilas, yung 3-pointer.
Durant, look out.
Oh!
I'm just so happy seeing this live. Napapanood ko lang sa TV, pero makikita mo live. Ibang klase talaga.
Taya mo palibasa mo ka ng bantayan masaya ka
Pero sabi naman ng Smart
Pero,
Gilas, okay,
pabantay niyo sa akin, willing naman ako. Magpapapicture lang.
Libre, ha?
Oo.
Kobe Bryant turns around. Here's Chris Chu, fires on the run.
Oh, yes! That's back-to-back para sa kanya. Ayun ang no hesitation. Dapat buong loob. It doesn't matter whom you're up against.
Oh, nice pass. That's the dunk fest right now. Being shown here by Smart All-Stars.
Here's Nuts. Nuts, the doubting. Chris Paul trying to swipe that ball away. Chris Paul, alam mo, yung may kagat-team depensa ni Chris Paul, kita-kita po yan.
Ito, makikita natin yung move ni Kevin Durant. Wow. Yun lang masasabi natin ito pa. pero yun ang sinasabi. Yun ang maganda dito sa mga players ito. They don't settle for layup. Alam nila ang gusto makita ng mga fans natin are dunk shots, spectacular dunk shots. Yun naman ang binibigay nila na beat sa lahat ng mga fans dito sa Big Dome.
Oh, si Derek Fisher pumasok na sa game. Alanganin na tira yun. Galing kay Baroka.
Nearing the halfway point of the third period. Ito, poposte na naman Kevin Durant.
Oh, good defense by Kelly Williams. Oh, chasing it down, not enough. Si Fisher is the only Smart All-Star na hindi nakascore kagabi.
Pero kanina, maaga dito si Derek Fisher, ha? Nagsushooting na siya.
Hanggang ngayon, wala pa score.
Naubos na siya.
Chris Chu has the basketball. Nag-iinit ang outside shooting ni Chris Chu. Pinasa muna kay Baroka. Past the halfway mark ng third quarter. 19 points ang kailangan na bola ng Smart Gilas. Here's Baroka. Baroka, pinasa. Chris Chu. Paul. Yung mga nakatapat kay Baroka. Harden. And Kevin Durant could not complete the alley-oop. Timeout muna tayo. 5:24 remaining. The Smart All-Stars still dominating here. 69-50. Magbabalik po kami.
You can
Smart Ultimate All-Star Weekend.
Hindi totoo yung pangalan niya, si Kikong Jumper, ha?
Bawal yun, ha?
Bawal yun.
Oy, ano to?
Oh, yan, oh. A smart move by Mr. Manny Pangilinan for bringing yung mga players from the US
Galing naman ng,
dito sa Pilipinas.
yes.
So, yung nga, ano, iba kasi po, yung tayo pupunta ng Amerika para panoorin sila, iba yung dadalhin po sila dito para mapanood po natin dahil po kay Mr. Manuel V. Pangilinan. At bisita po niya, of course, Willie Revillame, and of course, Attorney Ray Espinosa of TV5. Yan ang ating mga VIP of VIPs.
Oh, yes.
Inside the Big Dome. Ayan, yung mga nakaupo sa business class. Yan ang mabuhay class ng Araneta.
Sila ang merong bird's eye view.
Oo.
Mga
Ayan yung mga pinakamaaga dito.
Oo.
Ano pala? Oo. Alauna, imedya nagsimula laro. Alas 10 pa lang. Nakapwesto na po sila dyan. At tayo po ay natutuwa. No? Nahatid po namin sa inyong lahat itong isang unforgettable event. 2-day affair. Of course, we all hope, we can only hope it lasts forever, but it won't. Meron po tayo 5 and 15 remaining dito sa third quarter, and Marcus Doughton will miss. Talagang one shot at a time lang for Smart Gilas.
But especially kung si Marcus Doughty at tumitira sa labas, he's not in position to get the possible offensive rebound. At kanina nag-timeout si Coach Raiko Toroman. At I'm reminded kung ano yung sinabi niya before this game na gagalitin daw niya ang mga Smart All-Stars. Eh mukhang siya nagagalit ngayon.
So, usually,
At pinagkagalitan ng Gilas.
Yeah.
yun na nga eh. Kasi, alam mo, yung objective rin nito, aside from playing with their idols rin, is to try to, continue to improve yung team yun. Pero, nag-uusap nga tayo, Miko, no, nung commercial break. Mahirap rin minsan eh, no? Pag nakikita mo yung kalaban mo talaga, sila Fisher, sila Kobe, sila Durant. Talagang, this is a once-in-a-lifetime experience for these players.
And now it's a 21-point ball game. Jimmy Alapag pinasa kay Chris Chu. Chris Chu shooting well here in the third, pero mintis that time again. No offensive rebounds para sa Gilas. James Harden joined by Derek Fisher, Kevin Durant, Tyreek Evans, at si Derek Williams. Almost an alley-oop. Here's Lutz.
Right over
Jimmy for three!
Hinihintay sa mga Philippine fans, mga Filipino basketball fans. Yung tira sa labas ni Jimmy the Mighty Mouse Alapag.
I think Derek Fisher wants to score, but he misses that time. Rebound
Actually.
para, oh! Munti ka na. Rebound Doughton. Binigay kay Jimmy. 71-53. Gilas nag-aabol pa rin. Jimmy has the ball. Pinasa Chris Chu. Wide open. No! And good effort para kay Kelly Williams. Bago shot clock. Here's Jimmy. Jimmy for three. Oh! Wala pa rin! Wala pa rin! Tyreek Evans. Pinasa. Derek Williams. Oops, loose ball. Napulot. Derek Williams. Open shot. Tapos. Here's Chris Chu nagmamadali. Chris Chu to Lutz. And Lutz gets away for the layup.
Getting away from Derek Fisher. Token defense now by Smart All-Stars.
Well, that's a good timeout by Coach Raiko Toroman. Just pinaalalahanan lang niya yung mga players na to play with more passion and play with more organization.
Well, sometimes passion and organization gives way to discombobulation. Maynila 3-point shot mula kay Jimmy Alapag. Timeout po ang Smart All-Stars dito. 12:34 remaining. So third quarter, Smart All-Stars naman, 71-55. Coliseo. Right now, talagang hinanamnam no, bawat minuto ng ating ultimate weekend. Ito ang isang Metro Pacific Tollways fast break play. Tapos si Chris Lutz.